It's just kind of surreal.
It is.
Yeah,
I don't know why. It's just the crappy RX-7. We redid the entire body and the interior and everything.
Yeah.
And then the last one, we just drop a motor and shit it.
The Miata one.
The 2-liter Miata motor.
I think that'd be great, man. The fact that you get sequential too.
Yeah,
like,
so it comes with sequential because it came with a 6-speed out of the same one that RX-8 has. The only thing we really need to make that work, I think, is a custom drive shaft.
Oh,
Which
yeah,
there's
that's
drive shaft. So we'll just get it, tape measure, and measure on out. And if that's too much hassle, we'll just trailer the car over there, just have them put it in. Like.
I found quick Googling 3 guys that put the 1.6 liter Miata in the FC. Yeah, dude, also the turn signals. The turn signals are crazy.
What are they? Oh, they're gauge lights.
It's a weird turn signal.
Oh wait, there's gauge lights though?
No, they aren't working.
Oh.
Look,
Turn signal.
this is the turn signal.
Oh, that is
Also
weird.
the flashing.
I remember that my Probe had this, man. My Probe also had these.
I kind of remember, yeah.
Also, yeah, there's a bunch of shit that it's shared with me now. Dash light should work.
At least not plugged in.
The Emirates always die, though.
Oh, it's free now.
It's free.
Oh, it's not. It's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's not. Oh, it's heavy.
It's not like. Yeah.
It's not the heaviest thing I've ever.
No, not the heaviest ever had. But yeah, definitely not.
Sweet.
Oh, dude, that looks a ton better than it did. Actually, yeah, it looks pretty good there.
I think it'll actually look really nice on there.
I think so. It's like a full-on car.
Look at the end of that. It's like something chewed on it. Or they're broken off.
Oh, it's pretty jacked up. Yeah, man. I see what you're saying.
Too long,
KK. Get out of there, KK.
Yeah.
Hey, you.
KK.
Get out of there.
She's gonna run for it.
Go, go, go. Hey, get out of here. Kitty.
KK.
Kitty, don't. Kitty. No, don't lick it. Don't lick it.
KK, that's icky.
Yes!
The windows?
The windows work.
Oh, let's see it. Let's see it. Come on.
Oh no! Oh no! Let's get a little help. Look at it.
Yeah, dude.
You got shit grounds, and it's not getting enough sauce.
Get a little extra sauce. So I think when it comes time for the engine and the transmission,
It's gonna be a nightmare.
that's when the nightmare's gonna be in.
Unless you just put a
well,
rotor in
yeah.
it.
Well, this is to postponing the nightmare.
Okay. So you can just get one, just throw it in, it'll be drivable in like a weekend.
Yeah.
It'll be easy.
Yeah. I mean,
If you know the reliability of it.
Have AC.
Well, actually, if you're concerned about the
Nice.
reliability of it,
What's that? Oh,
it's,
you just
it's juicing out on the ground.
it just took a leak.
So it's in.
It's full of liquid.
Not fired up.
Apparently it's got liquid dude because they just dumped it.
Pumped. Dude, I think everything works and you just hook it all up.
That's so crazy. No, Kitty.
No, KK. It's like, that smells sweet.
So this is all solid spherical, of course. Replaces your whole front end. But this is a custom wide track. The important part is this. It has 15 degrees of caster. When you turn in, that was the only way I could figure to make this thing like epically good.
Really cool. The fact that it doesn't even exist.
Is the only place I could find it. There's only 2 places that make these. Okay, Megan Racing.
Yeah.
Solid spherical. They drop down, so you get more angle, and they avoid all bump steer. So you can do it, they get the mad angle, slammed out the whole bit, makes it work. Absolutely necessary. And this is, oh dude, okay. So you're steering, they have those boots, you know?
Yeah.
And they always get jacked up and it breaks your tie rod shit. Okay, so here's your inner tie rod. These are a new thing I started using on everything. So here's your inner tie rod, right? That's it. No more boot. Sealed, doesn't rust, never ruptures.
That's cool.
It doesn't get caught on anything. So you just run those from now on, and you're good. And so this, you know, they just go into there.
Yeah.
And these are longer and everything. These are longer and everything, so we can get that mad angle.
You get the Megan Racing take you out of there, man.
I think the max,
I like
whatever.
the
Max one. Well, I've seen this one around.
Have you?
Yeah, on those FCs, yeah.
Okay. So the RX-7s, first gen, second gen, not so much third gen because it's kind of more traditional double wishbone. They have massive issues with suspension binding if you mix like poly bushings or sphericals. So you kind of need to go all in to really make sure it's going to work. These you torque it down to the metal.
So
You eliminate all that.
No flex.
Yeah,
flex zone.
yeah, it's no flex, so nice. We are missing stuff.
There's something in the box right there, a couple things.
Okay, there should be like drilled and slotted brakes,
Nothing like that should have.
and the coilovers in the garage.
Yeah.
And I brought the stainless steel brake lines.
Look how beautiful they are, man.
Oh, those are really cool. I like them a lot.
Slam it out with camber.
That's sick.
These are heavily oiled, wow.
I like the end thing on the right.
Dude, everything's max on this ride.
Yeah, you're right.
Max power. So the deal is with these, okay, you got your camber, but these also, these are free pivoting up here. So it turns it into another suspension point that can freely travel like a double wishbone, because you've got this in there at an angle, right? So that's your other arm.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Because all this stuff pivots because it's all the fancy suspension. It matches with the whole gold vibe.
Yeah. Goldeneye.
Nice.
Do like a kind of like a goldeneye, like, you know, homage. Have the picture of the FC, but the front of it kind of goes a little too long. Yeah, exactly.
You cannot see it. All right. Nice. I thought I had something else that I brought too, like stance brake lines.
Brake lines.
Oh man, giant suction cups. Can I try this on my car?
Yeah, go for it. Oh, so I didn't really realize these came in singles. If it works out well, I'll get another one. But I felt like this was really retro.
What is that?
It's a headlight.
That's
Okay, so
what?
these are all LEDs. This is also functions as a turn signal when you got her out there and it flashes yellow.
Dude, that's awesome.
What the heck?
It's got your fogs in there, it's got the whole thing.
That's
And then it has adjusters here for the angle. I thought it matched with the 80s decor, but maybe
It
it's just
does.
cheesy, I don't know.
I love
But,
it.
How bad do you think the Miata motor is going to be to put in there?
Like some bad dude.
Okay.
Either that or you just RX-8 it. Same transmission. Renesis, pretty cool.
I feel like we should try the Miata motor just because.
Well, what I'm saying is you can just sell it if it doesn't fit.